This is the Forcemech Ultralight G10. Now, let me be clear. This electric wheelchair is not for everyone. So in this video, we want to go over who it's not for and who it would be great for. Who it's not for is if you want to use an electric wheelchair that you can ride on different types of terrain, even going up hills. Now, this chair can do okay in flat terrain that is grassy, but if there is an incline, it doesn't do very well. So the second thing, well, this chair can support 300 pounds of weight, but some people wear their weight differently in their body. So they might wear it in their waist, maybe in their rear end more. So a good rule of thumb, what we like to recommend is if you measure your computer chair, you want to measure the width and the distance between the armrests. Now for this chair, specifically the Ultralite G10, the seat width is about 17.5 inches, but the distance between the armrests is 18 inches. So depending on how your body type is, it might not be the perfect fit. But again, I would measure a computer chair that you sit in regularly, and if that's comfortable to you, you can get a pretty good idea if you have enough distance between the armrest or the seat, or if you even have room for a little bit more or a little less distance. Lastly, if you're looking for something with a lot of storage, this chair doesn't have much storage. There is a storage pouch on the back, but that's pretty much all you get. Now, who is it great for? Obviously, this is one of the lightest folding electric wheelchairs in the industry. So once you remove the battery, this chair weighs 25.8 pounds. It's one of the lightest folding electric wheelchairs in the industry today. Super, super lightweight. Secondly, it doesn't take up much space. So because it's so lightweight and compact, when it's folded, it's easy to store. In fact, you don't even have to put it in the back of your trunk. Most cars, you can just put it right behind the front seat of the car, and that's what we do when we transport this chair. And lastly, who it's good for? People who love to travel. So the chair is airline approved. The battery is easy to access. A lot of times with folding electric wheelchairs, the batteries you have to access up underneath, and they could be a little bit of a problem to access. You have to bend down. But here it's located on the side. And all you have to do is press this button, take the battery out, you fold up the chair, give it to the airline, and this is what you carry on. So really easy for that. Plus, this chair is great for airports. It's great for traveling through stores, anywhere there's a flat surface. This serves a great purpose. So these are some of the reasons why this would be a great chair for you. So you got your reasons of why it wouldn't be a good chair, and you got your reasons why it would be a good chair. So hope this video is helpful. And again, this is the Forcemech Ultralight G10. It's an incredible lightweight folding electric wheelchair. And as always, if you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. We'll help you decide if this is the right chair for you. Our phone number is at the bottom of the screen. It's 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Have a good day, guys.